saw lightning over there.
Sweet. Yeah, up there looks starting to look intense. It actually does look like it could be.
Look at, you can see the rain getting closer.
With the wind. There's the core right there.
We don't want to get too close to this, because if this drops a tornado, I would do it.
Now where do we go?
Look at the rotation!
I'd go, holy shit, look it!
You know what you do? Frick it, this part. Where can we pull?
Over there. It doesn't say no parking over there.
Well, we're not it's not like we're parking, we're just standing. The worst they tell you to do is...
Where's the rotation? I'll stop right at this.
Just look at...
Stop here.
Is there any, like, parking lot we can go into up there? Somebody...
No, where's the rotation?
Mom's calling.
Where's the rotation? Yeah, look at that sharp defined thing right there. I don't know if that's rain or if that's something that's wrapped around the other side. What about if you take the right up here and flat?
Yeah, take it right.
Yeah, all this. This is just a drive.
I'm sure we can get... Oh, we can get into that driveway.
Maybe.
Right here it is.
Oh! There's a huge building.
Then just see veer left and get into that parking lot right there.
Let's just go over here. Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, oh I didn't even see that.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Here. Right here, motherfucker. Bro, the window just in case. I'd pull over into that spot straight over there. No, I want
to get out.
I like in there, buddy.
I don't care. Shit.
Damn, look at this son of a bitch.
Hey Tom, I'll close this door. Pull up. I'll tell you how far to go.
That's okay.
Warning. Okay, pull up the car a little bit.
That's okay.
That's that brief rotation. I know.
At 2:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The strongest storms were located from Long Meadow, Massachusetts to just north of Southfield, Connecticut. The storms were moving to the east at 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include Monson and Palmer tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday evening for northern Connecticut and Massachusetts, and southern New Hampshire and central Rhode Island.
Oh my God! Look at that thing. Oh.
That was serious, dude.
So what are we gonna do? Follow this?
No, we're gonna stay right here at the back side of it. There'll be more coming. If this thing were to become tornadic, I would drop it right in that area.
So we'd see. Oh, we'd have to back way up then.
That's moving up that way, so we'd be good.
Oh, good.
Hopefully.
It's going down.
Look at it.
It's going down.
Look at that. Right at this edge fall.
Yeah.
It's going down. Look at it. You gotta look at it.
It's kind of scuddy though. It's not really defined.
Yeah, it is going in the downward motion. Dude, it's starting to rain. Here it comes, motherfucker. Here it comes, nigga. Oh. It's going out over there.
Over this way? Hard to tell.
going, we probably would want to be up over there, but it's going too fast.
Yeah. We can just watch this move out, then we'll go back and wait for the other one to come in.
What is it, another one? A nice one?
No clue. That was Warren's just west of us, so we'll have to find out. Kind of weakened again, it looked like.
Yeah. Let me see the camera. I want to find out where we're at. I gotta hit the stop on the card.
Yep. Behind the shelf cloud. Motion behind it. Conversion's right there. Look at all the inflow coming into it. I want to know what that thing over there is. Lightning bolt just struck right over there. I think I'll switch views. Man, that's an awesome shelf cloud right there.
That's some pretty strong wood right there.
Yep. Look at that hole that's right in the clouds right there. You see that?
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell that is.
Winter really gusty out ahead of it.
Yep.
This one, they said, oh yeah, he just said it got bigger too.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm looking right at the southwest edge of that storm. I'm pointing right at it. It appears to be lowering it below the fence. Right in there.
Sky definitely looks really dark.
Yeah. I'll roll the window. Are we in Windsor? Windsor Locks. Isn't that where Bradley is?
Yep, right in front of us.
Yeah. Jeez, Paul.
No, that's you. You just asked us in Bradley and Windsor Locks. Actually, I think Bradley's in Windsor.
No, Bradley's in Windsor Locks.
Bradley is in Windsor. Both the same city. Who cares? Windsor.
Where?
Straight across, above that white car.
Okay.
Blah blah.
There's a shelf cloud. The base of it. It's going green a little bit too. Above.
I think I'm going to that overhang.
Whatever is coming is down there somewhere.
It's going out under the overhang. Yeah, look at it. Go south.